Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to use picture-in-picture mode on TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless, and the benefit of this feature is you can use TikTok while chatting with your friend on WhatsApp, all while using Facebook. It will be like you can use two apps at the same time. So the first thing you have to do is open your TikTok application, offer it opens, you don't have to go anywhere and don't need to tap on any icon. The only thing you have to do is tap and hold on your mobile screen just for a few seconds. And after tapping and holding, you can see this pop-up. And in this pop-up, you can see a few options report. Not interested from here, tap on this line and swipe it to the left side. And on the last, you can find the option picture-in-picture, tap on it and tap on this option. Done. Now it will require permission from your mobile phone setting, so you have to give the permission to TikTok. I'm looking for TikTok. And here is the application. Tap on it. And here you can see the option, Allow display over the apps. Tap on this. Now let's go back to our TikTok. Now picture-in-picture mode is turned on. And here you can see now I can use TikTok while chatting with my friends on WhatsApp and while using Facebook, and you can do a lot of other things while playing TikTok. So it's the primary way by which you can use picture-in-picture mode on TikTok.